गोवा कॉर्पोरेट लिगांत सोमारा रिलायन्स वन सेगीत दुसरे जैत जोडून सेमीफायनलींत पावले. आरबीआयक 60 रनांनी हरोवन रिलायन्स वनान आपली पोझिशन सामकीच घट केली. रिलायन्स वनान पयलीं बॅटिंग करतना 5 आउट 202 रन्स काडले.
From the road end, and a big shot, and Saurabh Tiwari frees his arms hitting the ball. That's fantastic shot by Hiten Dalal. Come to that after this delivery, and that's a wonderful shot by Saurabh Tiwari.
Down the wicket, Saurabh Tiwari. This time fielder will like to take it, and an easy catch for the fielder, making no mistake. Down the wicket this time, and it's a biggie, and look at it, it's gone and gone. Final delivery of the over, and this time he's getting towards the ball, de Goa, and a sixer, biggie. Full toss delivery, taking full advantage of it. Jitesh Sharma playing the maximum as it's out of here. This time again a wrong delivery, and this time again Jitesh Sharma plays it well. They will get 203. This time. Oh, are you killing me? Pradeep Sangwan on his way. And this time Rajesh Bishnoi connects it well. No, it's not. This time again excellent delivery it was, and another one. Jyot Chaya going for the maximum.
Once again that was a flighted delivery. Is it going to be 6? Yes it is. That is maximum.
This time straight down the ground, one bounce, and another boundary for Ankit Rajput here.
Samir Kanekar, their vice chairman of GCL, handing over the winner's man of the match check of 10,000 rupees to Saurabh Tiwari of Reliance One.
होस्सय गोंयभर शिगम्याचो सीझन सुरू. गांवांनी रोमटा मेळ, शारांनी शिगम्याचो उत्सव आनी चित्ररथांच्यो मिरवणुको. देवाक नाल्ल दवरून नमन घालून ढोल ताशांचो आवाज गोंयभर घुमपाक लागला. पळोवया अंत्रूज मालांतलो आनी मडगांवच्या शिगम्याची कांय खिणचित्रां.
इसे किसी भी युक्ति से रोकना होगा. हे जगपालक, आप स्वयं
ब्रह्मदेव का वरदान है मेरे साथ। अब मैं
इतल्याने बुलेटिन हांगाच सोंपता। ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट व्हॉट्सॲप, ट्विटर, फेसबूक आनी प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह मेळटात। प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करीत रावात। नमस्कार।